Custom Autos by Tim is a car modification shop that specializes in rebuilding trucks and SUVs to accommodate the needs of larger families. The car builds by this company are completely different and vary from client to client. There is one thing that unites them though. It's the immense size of these vehicles and the seating for at least 8 passengers. Civilian 6x6 is a Land Rover Defender 110 that was heavily modified to show supreme performance in all-terrain driving conditions. Despite being one of the largest SUVs on the planet and using all of its 6 wheels to cope with any driving challenge, this vehicle has a decent amount of comfort features that any passenger will be amazed with. The Lincoln Navigator is a proper full-size SUV that offers loads of room and an immense level of comfort for both second and third row passengers. Although regarded as a slow vehicle by some, its twin turbocharged engine that peaks at 450 horsepower produces just the correct amount of power for this luxury car. Being 17.5 feet in length, having plenty of room for 8 passengers and 121.5 cubic feet of cargo carrying capability, Ford Expedition is one of the biggest SUVs that you can buy today. Offered in various modifications, this massive vehicle will definitely suit anybody's utilitarian needs, while the twin turbocharged engine and 4x4 driver there if you ever need some extra performance. There are many brutal SUVs out there, but many of them are dwarfed by this Hennessy vehicle. Based on the Ford F-250 truck, the Hennessy 4x4 SUV has 3 rows of seats, room for 7 passengers, and has a monstrous V8 engine with a supercharged upgrade. Hennessy also offer the installation of performance wheels and tyres, or off-road suspension upgrades, if you're into that sort of thing. Arconic specialise at turning the iconic D110 Defenders into highly capable SUVs with elegant interior details and beastly performance. The company lets you choose from already available redesign choices or create your personal auto marvel. We highly encourage you not to postpone your order date, as the Arconic doesn't produce more than 5 vehicles per month. Landcruiser is a timeless classic that can properly serve as a spacious family vehicle with 8 passenger seats, or be easily turned into an overlander that can accompany you even on the most challenging exploration missions. The mighty V8 engine, robust suspension with multi-terrain adjustments, and the interior with loads of comfort features help this Toyota car to lure the customers away from its direct competitors. Rhino GX is a bold SUV with a large, rugged, military-style exterior and luxury interior styling. It is certainly an unusual auto combination, but the guys at USSV somehow made it work. Although soft, quality levers, wood veneers and highly polished finishes in the interior may seem like excess features, the growl of the mighty V10 will keep you awake for most of the trip.